love that rustic look, especially with the timbers. That combination of hardware and timbers is exactly what we were looking for. And it's really, you know, it really pops with the bridge washers and some of the other metal on there. And then we love the mix of the blend of material, the metal and the concrete and the wood. It's just gorgeous. Well, I guess there was a lot of things that fed into our decision. We knew we needed new siding. And then while we were that deep into the project, we thought, let's look at the whole house and see if there are things that we could do to enhance the space and tailor it to our interests. Recreating that entry space, we could fundamentally change the view of the property or the house from the street. You know, the more we talked about the space, the more we sort of dreamed about what that could look like. And so we wanted something that was sort of big and spacious. We could sit outside. I mean, as a homeowner, again, you don't know where to start on all of these things, right? So having a designer who's got a network, you know, established relationships with builders and contractors has been incredibly helpful for us. Those relationships are allowing us to move forward on a project in a timely manner. In the absence of that, I don't know where we would start. Neil Baggett and Jeff Thompson have been absolutely fantastic to work with. They're responsive, they're understanding, they're willing to make time when we have time. So it's been nothing but a treat to work with those guys. We absolutely enjoy working with everybody on the project. We feel really fortunate to have got such a great group of people. They've been happy, they've been respectful, they're timely in their responses to us. So all those things that you'd want out of a professional. But in addition, everybody's just a good person.
Thanks for watching my weblog. For more information on my creative process and mode of operation, visit peterqbrown.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel, Peter Q. Brown Design.